Okay, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download photos that are in Google Business Profile Reviews or in the Google Business Profile Photo Library. There's not an easy way to right-click Save As that I could see. So let me show you this little workaround that I found. There might be another way, that's something obvious that I'm overlooking, but I just figured this out, so I'm going to go ahead and share it. So if you go look at a photo in a review, so if you go to And by the way, if you need any help with local SEO, e-commerce SEO, WordPress performance design, hosting, any stuff like that, head over to Norzer.me. We can help you out. Enjoy the Discord channel, which is in the description. It's free, and there's a bunch of people in there chatting about fun stuff. So the business is Santa Year Round. It's a Santa professional Santa for hire in Louisiana. So if you go to, let me pull. Okay, so this is a photo in the photo library in Google Business Profile, right? So there's no right-click Save As. Also, this applies to, let's go back here, sending you around, let's go to reviews. Here, there's no right-click Save as far as I can see. Maybe I'm totally overlooking something, but I couldn't find it. So there's multiple ways to do this. One way is if you go into Chrome Inspect, you'll get it here. However, do this, file type images, right here. Then you can open image in new tab. However, it's going to be a little smaller, I'm assuming, because the dimensions are smaller in the little small window that I did in Chrome Inspect or Chrome Inspector, whatever it's called. So that's one way to do it. The other way that's easier, so you don't have to go in here, you don't have to use the console if you're not comfortable with it, is just go here, go to the image, and on all images, whether it's in a review or whether it's just in the image library, you'll see these three dots. And this is going to be at full size as far as I know. From here, you can go to report a problem. And then right here, you can right click open image in new tab. And it's full size. Look how it's full size. Right click save as. If you did it here, you could right click save as well, but it doesn't look like it's big. I'm not sure if it's the same image or not. You know, by the time you click on it, maybe it's auto zoom. I'm not sure. Didn't really mess with it that much. I would, just to be safe, right click open a new tab. Then you can go here, right click save as. So if you do want to hire a real beard Santa for your upcoming Christmas party, go over to santayearround.com. So I hope this helps. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Join the Discord below if you want. And if you need any help with anything, head over to norzer.me and we can help you out. So hope you found this tip useful. Talk to you later.